Good day and welcome to this here live stream event. We're playing some SC2. We got the lead player here, top right corner with the Pandaren emblem on the front of his base. Playing as Protoss. Allah kaboom. LG Hammer. Yeah. LG Hammer's put down the gateway in a simulator. He's going up against a very hard AI that's putting down their barracks. He's got another pylon on the way. He's nowhere near supply cap. What is he doing? Fills up that assimilator. Let's speed up the replay a little bit. That gateway is underway. The cybernetics core is going down. A second gateway is down. Oh my gosh, he's got 18 workers on the field. He's oversupplying it. The Terran are building. He's got another, what is that? Another barracks going up. The cybernetics core is researching, doing some warp gate research. What is a warp gate? Warp gate research allows for units to be summoned anywhere that a pylon is in the near vicinity. Okay, the Terran has been scouting LG pretty darn well, and this guy, he's building a starport. He's got barracks up, he's got factories up. The warp gate research is well underway. Oh my gosh, let's get a replay of this. Let's check this out a little bit more. What are we doing? All right, we're keeping an eye on this probe. This worker is going out with the mission of building a pylon so that the warp gates can send units across the map. The Terran SCV still doesn't see this probe. It's seriously close. Probe goes to stealth grasp pylon. The Terran spots it. The Terran's now seen that on the map. What is he doing? He's got this factory here. He should be building siege tanks. Also, his ramp should be fully defended with supply depots and barracks. That would have been a great save on their part, 110%. So now we've just summoned in some new units to the pylon. We're putting in the attack, going up the ramp with literally one siege tank. The Terran could have defended all of that for sure, as well as blocking the ramp with supply depots and barracks. So LG Hammer, Allah, and Kaboom is just summoning more and more troops to that pylon. Woo! Warp gate research coming in real clutch. The sentries helping out with the force fields, and the stalkers are just absolutely tearing it up, as well as the zealots, and we got some more units inbound as the game finishes. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.